Oi! Okay, so I try and get pus out of this thing on my face. Squirt it. So I got some custard mixed with some food dye just to really grit it in.
There, yeah.
So get that business into the syringe. That's one big blasted pus ball.
Is this gonna go on me?
I have no idea where it's going to go.
Maybe I shouldn't wear my glasses. Maybe I should wear my glasses.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Lovely.
I just sucked fat out of someone. So it's got to stick it in my tube without tearing up the makeup. You're going to have your right hand would be covering, so we're in position. Let's see how we cord, just get it going. So, why would you do that? So right about here, one thumb over, just a thumb over like that. So that would be the squeeze. You're just covering.
Is that all good? Looks alright.
And yeah, that's where it's in focus. So the idea would be and inject it. How does it look?
You want me to inject it now?
Well, let's see. Take your palm. So leave the thumb over the actual insertion point, and let's see if we can see the tube. Well, not over the popping point, over the insertion, so where the tube joins, so we can actually see the pus run up the tube.
This is hurting my arm. So you want me to start pushing?
I guess.
What are you doing?
You keep taking down a shot. I just here. What's it doing?
It's going up!
What's the what is the prosthetic doing anything?
No, it's just got, it's going to the prosthetic now.
Okay. Oh, it's cold.
Stop it. Oh god.
Okay.
So keep going?
Yeah, well, we're going to see when it pops. There. You're really pushing hard with your thumb.
Huh?
You're pushing hard.
I'm not!
Oh, is it swelling? It looks like it's swelling up like a big balloon.
I can't tell. It's done, ooze out.
Oh, where?
A little... Did you make a pinprick there?
No.
It's coming
it's right
out.
out the middle.
Can you see it?
Out the middle?
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Do I keep pushing?
Well, yeah, we're going for a pop.
Okay, you ready?
How much have you squeezed? How many milligrams?
There's still 4 left.
Okay. Whoa, I can feel the pressure. Squeezing my eye up. Just go there. Is there anything left?
No, that's it.
That's everything?
Yes.
Oh. Alrighty. Hold on.
Why are we doing more?
Because it didn't come out that hard.
So you want me to just go...
Let's see what it does.
Hang on. Oh, yuck. This is whiteness.
Focus.
Me?
Yeah.
Is that over all the...
So we know it's all filled. There's just a little bit of oozy, pussy blood there.
You ready?
I guess.
1.
See what pops. Oi! Ah! Well, that did us. That did its job. So we'll probably end up wanting more of a zoom lens.
Oh.
But yeah, that popped and squeezed right. And didn't put a pinprick or anything, it just happened to be the weak point. Cool, that worked alright.
Oh god, it went everywhere.
Good choice to wear a nice white shirt. Which amazingly, it didn't actually get on, which is cool. Just pull this up from here and... If you guys want to know how this was made, just leave a comment in the comment section. Please like, subscribe to the channel and get more future content out of this.